Okay, how are you guys? Bugun nima qilamiz bugun? Summary writing qilamiz. Hech qanaqa qilqishlarsiz, nasib bo'lsa, birinchi bo'lib readingimizni ochib olishimiz kerak. Official kitni ochamiz. Preview. And the rise of the agribots. Men buni tarjima qilgan edim. Mana bu yergacha o'zi turibdi mana. Yana boshqatdan qilsak, hech narsa qilmaydi. Xudoga shukr. Hop, betimiz 216-bet. Mayli. Ko'pga o'xshayapti, lekin meni aldash uchun bu oson. Bu oson. Birinchi bo'lib nima qilamiz? Okay. The next time you stand at the supermarket, check out Spare a Thought. Almost again. Control C. So'zlarimiz ham bor ekan, buni kattalashtiraylikchi. Mana. Bu ishlamayapti. Bo'ldi, shunday. Tengni olsak, hammasi joyiga qoladi. Tochkamiz ulanmadikmi? Ana turib Ctrl V'ni bosib ko'ramiz. Are you sure you want to leave this page? Leave. Maybe bo'lmayapti. Edit qilmayapti. Maybe bunday bo'lyapti. Okay. The next time you stand at the supermarket, check out. Keyingi payt supermarketda bo'lganingda check out qilgani. Ya'ni pul to'lamoqchi bo'lgan paytingda turgani deyapti. Spare a thought for. Mana shunday yaxshi so'z ekan. Spare a thought for. Spare a thought for consider. O'ylab ko'r, e'tibor qarat, esla. O'yla deyapti. O'yla the farmers. Shu fermerlarni o'yla deyapti. Who helped fill your shopping basket as life is hard for them right now. Supermarketda turganingda fermerlarni o'ylaki, kimlar seni shopping basket, shu xarid savatchangni to'ldirishga yordam bergan. Chunki hayot ular uchun, mana hayot ular uchun oson emas deyapti. Hop. This in turn inevitably means bigger grocery bills for consumers and greater hardship for the millions in countries where food shortages are a matter of life and this. Makacha tarjima qilsak mana. Ag'ab nima xolos. Ver deyapti-yu. Relative clause shuniki ta'kidlab beradigan. This in turn bu natijada internni bir ko'rib olamiz. Intern qo'shib yozdi bu intern yo'q. Qo'shib olasan o'chiraydi. Internet deb yaxshi ekan bo'lishi kerak. Intern one after the other in a particular order. One after the other. The child called out their names in turn as a result of something in a series of events. Increases production will in turn lead to increased profits. Natijada bo'ladimi? Okay, natijada this in turn inevitably means bigger grocery bills for consumers. Bu natijada deyapti. Inevitably means. Qanday means? Inevitably ekan. Inevitably. Tarjima qilamiz. Inevitably. As is certain to happen. Aniqki. Inevitably aniqki the press exaggerated the story. As you would expect. Inevitably aniqki it rained on the day of the wedding. To'y kuni yomg'ir yog'di, aniqki deyapti. Manbag'i yo'q ekan, aniqki. Inevitably. Bu natijada aniqki, yana nima? Mana mean this shuni anglatadiki, bigger grocery bills for consumers. Bigger grocery. Grocery kichik do'koncha bo'lishi kerak. Grams grocery. Bu intermediate, pre-intermediate darajada tushuntirish harakat qilyapman, chunki o'zim intermediate balkim upper bo'lishi mumkin. Ba'zida testlarda shunaqa chiqadi. No, ishlash mayda. Okay. A shop mana. Grocery noun again. A shop that sells food and other things used in the home. In American English or both. Uy do'koni. Bu shuni anglatadiki, bu bigger grocery bills. Bills bu xarajatlar. Katta do'kon xarajatlarini anglatadi deyapti natijada. Chunki hayot fermerlar uchun qiyin, albatta qiyinchilik bilan qilgandan keyin nimalarda mahsulotlarni qimmatroq sotadi va shu do'kon xarajatlari ham oshadi for consumers. Oluvchilar uchun ham. And greater hardship for the millions in countries where food shortages are a matter of life and death. O'limdan boshqa nima ma'nosi bo'ladi? Death. O'lim, a fact of dying or being killed. O'lim, the fact. The end of life. Ah, bu anchagina hardship, qiyin. Hardship, hardship. A situation that is difficult. Qiyin bo'lgan jarayon. Qiyinchilik and unpleasant because greater hardship, difficulty deylik, greater ham juda ham greater katta muammoki millionlar uchun. Qaysi million? Millions bu insonlarga nisbatan kelyapti. Ovqat muammosi, shortage, ovqat tanqisligi, matter of life, muammo bo'lgan va hayotini yakunlovchi o'lim. Shu ovqat tanqisligi, hayotga a matter of life, muammo, hayot muammosidir va hatto o'lim deyapti. Bu hayotning muammoli qismi va o'lim deyapti. Xo'p, worse. Achinarlisi shuki deganday worse. Studies suggest that the world will need twice as much food by 2050. Bundan ham yomoni, studies suggest, tadqiqotlar shuni ko'rsatadiki, taklif qiladiki, 2050-yilgacha bizga as much food, 2 barobar, hozirgidan 2 barobar ovqat zarur deyapti. Ya'ni ovqat kerak bo'ladi to'ydirishimiz uchun deyapti. Yet, lekin, while farmers must squeeze more out of the land, they must also address the necessity of reducing their impact on the soil. Lekin shu bilan birga fermerlar bosim qilish kerak, squeeze qilish kerak. Nima squeeze qilish kerak? Out of the land. Squeeze bosim qilish kerak, ko'proq nagruzka berish kerak. Nimaga? Yerga. Albatta ko'proq hosil olish uchun ko'proq foydalanadi, yerga nagruzka beradi. Shuni hozirgi paytda hozirdan boshlash kerak, hozir qilish kerak. Nimaga? They must also address the necessity of reducing their impact on the soil. Va ular shuningdek address demak, address mana. Address, deal with, hal qilmoq. Mana, deal with. Ular shuningdek necessity of reducing their impact on the soil. Ular soil bilamiz, tuz bo'lish kerak. Soil. The top layers in which plants trees store. The top layer. Soil. Matter on the surface of the ground which plants grow. O'g'it ekan. O'g'it. Nimasi ekanmi? It was the first time we had set foot on foreign France American soil. O'z qo'yamiz bu yerga. Soil. The material for the ground. Noun. Ular shuningdek o'g'itga bo'lgan ta'sirda kamayishini hal qilishlari kerak. Waterways and atmosphere. Waterways. Interesting. Waterways. Waterway, a narrow area of the water, such as river or canal that ships or boats can sail along. A narrow, tor area of the water. Irmoq, waterway. Irmoqlar va atmosfera. Suv irmoqlarini va atmosferani ham hal qilishlari kerak ekan. Qiziq. Interesting. All this means rethinking how agriculture is practiced. Hammasi shuni anglatadiki, means rethinking. Qanday, nima anglatar ekan? Qayta thinking qilish, ya'ni qayta o'ylashdi. Qaytadan o'ylab chiqishdiki, how agriculture is practiced. Qanchalik agriculture, atrof muhit, is practiced. Shu agriculture ustida ishlar olib borilyapti. Shu haqida o'ylab chiqishimiz kerak ekan. And taking automation to a whole new level. Take automation, take the sari qolamiz. Agar tarjima bilmasak, nima tarjimasi bo'ladi? Taking automation olish to a whole new level. Butun yangi darajaga olish. Balki yangi darajaga ko'tarishdir. Bitta so'zlar biz bor. Take something to a whole level. Take whole level, dominate. To'liq egallamoq. Dominate. Taking automation to a whole new level. Yangi daraja uchun avtomatlashtirishda dominate qilishimiz kerak. To'liq egallashtirishimiz kerak. Ya'ni shu avtomatlashtirish to'liq egallash kerak deyapti. Agriculture. On the new model farms of the future, precision will be key. Precision. Making precision. Precision key ekan. Internetimiz yaxshi ishlamayapti. Mana qancha ming. 18 daqiqa bo'ldi. Hi. Qarab o'tiraymi? Precision, the quality of being exact. Aniqlikning sifati. Qualities nima ekani? Aniqlik. Aniqlik. On the new model farmers, yangi model fermalarda kelajakdagi precision will be key. Aniqlik kalit ekan. Why does a whole field with chemicals if you can spray only where they are needed? Nimaga? Those are whole field with chemicals. Those. A measured amount of something such as medicine. A dose of penicillin, a high dose. qiymat desa bo'ladi. Dozasi. Bir martalik qilinadigan doza bor. Ikki hisob yopishamiz. Qiymat deylik, miqdor. And why does a hole filled with chemicals? Nimaga miqdor? Butun bir maydon kimyoviy moddalar bilan. If you can spray only where they are needed. Bunaqa demoqchi kerak. Agar sen kerakli joyga spray sepib olsang, ya'ni kimyoviy modda sepib olsang, hamma joyga, butun maydonga kimyoviy modda sepish nimaga kerak? Nimaga bunday qilinadi? Degan savol ketyapti. If you can, each plant could eat exactly the right amount of everything. Har bir o'simlik bir xil miqdorda everything shu kerakli bo'lgan narsa ola oladi deyapti. Just a second. Hozir. Start up pause. Voyo? Oh. Yo, bilmadim. Xo'p. Yo'q. Bo'pti. Sorry about that. Aynan telefon qilib qoldi. Qayerga ketgan edik? Mana. Har bir o'simlikka bir xil miqdorda o'g'it kerak ekan. Everything degani shu kerakli miqdor kerakli narsa. Bir xil miqdorda qarov kerak ekan. Bir xil narsa ola oladi deyapti. Each plant. No more or less. Ko'p ham emas, kam ham emas. An approach that could slash chemical and improve yields in one move. That could slash chemical use. Slash nima ekan slash? Ko'ramiz. Olasam unga slash. To make a long cut. To make a long cut with a sharp object in a violent way. Kesmoq, katta bilan kesmoq. To make a long cut. Katta kesmoq, o'tkir object bilan, narsa bilan, ayniqsa violent way, shafqatsiz bilan. Which slash an informal to reduce something by a large amount. Qisqartirmoq. Informalda. Slash. Slash, slash, slash. To cut with a sharp blade using a quick, strong movement. Kesmoq. In ice hockey, to very informal something. Such as money or jobs. Kamaytirmoq. A slash chemical use. Agar buni qilsak, deyapti, an approach. Buni ishlatish. That could slash chemical use. Kimyoviy moddalardan foydalanishda kesib olar ekan. Katta miqdorda uni kesar ekan, ya'ni kamaytirar ekan. And improve yields in one move. Bir urinishda ham maydonni yaxshilar ekan. Okay. But this is easier said than done. This is easier said than done. Aytishga oson deydi-yu. Xuddi shu ma'noda. Aytishga oson deyapti. The largest farms in Europe and the USA can cover thousands of acres. That's why automation is key to precision farming. Specifically, agricultural engineers precision. Lekin, the largest farmers in Europe and the USA can cover thousands of acres. Buni bunday qilamiz. Acres. Acres. Gektar. 0,4 gektar ekan. Gektarda 0,405 gektar ekan. Aytishga osonki, deyapti. Katta fermalar qayerda? Yevropa va Amerikadagilar minglab gektarda o'z ichiga olar ekan, deyapti. Ularga qarash qiyin, har biriga alohida amount of everything sarflash qiyin. Aytishga oson deyapti. That's why automation is key to precision farming. Shuning uchun automation is key to precision farming. Avtomatlashtirish kalit aniq fermerlar uchun. Fermadagi aniqlik uchun avtomatlashtirish bu kalit deyapti. Hammaga rahmat. Bu part 1 edi. Readingimiz part 1. Bo'lib qilaveramiz. Okay, sog' bo'lasizlar. Stop recording.